From tiny little seeds to a thriving little jungle, April has been magical. There's something so special about watching your plants grow day by day, the first flower, the first fruit, the first harvest. In this small space, nature is doing big things. Every leaf, every bloom feels like a tiny celebration of patience, care, and love. So let's begin the April tour of my small little balcony garden. You can see almost all my plants, the veggies, have started flowering, and some of them are even fruiting. So, as I have told you earlier that I try to do mixed vegetable gardening in my pots since I have very small space in my Tokyo balcony garden. So right now mostly I have bok choys growing in my garden, which I've been growing with the cuttings. Look at this, these are the chickpeas. I was trying to grow the microgreens and I have already harvested 2 times. Coming to this grow bag, in this I'm growing bok choy, then these are the peas. Just look at these beautiful tendrils. This can be used in salad. Then just try to remove all the dry and yellow leaves to support more growth to your plants, which will help in more fruiting and flowering. So this cauliflower I have already harvested and I have left it to check if I can have more cauliflower or probably the flowers which can give me the organic seeds of the cauliflower. Some more bok choy, and this is my garlic, which I think has not grown very big inside. This is my next to my tomato plant. See, the buds have come up. This will flower and then again the fruit will come. Some more small ones are there. This also I am growing from the tomatoes which I buy. I use the seeds directly, the raw ones. Lettuce, I would have harvested these lettuce at least 5 to 6 times and still they are growing nicely. Some more peas. This has grown very old. It's always good to harvest your flowers and fruits to give more support and energy to the plant, which will in turn give more flower and fruit. So some more bok choy, and I have been growing carrot also from the cutting. I will not get carrot from that, but it will give me flower, and that flower will give me seeds. The spring onion. So you can see my balcony is now full of life. Peas climbing happily, spring onions standing tall, chickpeas surprising me with delicate blooms, the purple blooms which you can see. Then bok choy and lettuce, of course, so many are there, lush and ready. And yes, coming to the tomato, I've got a lot of seedlings which I'll be transferring soon to the bigger pots. The chickpeas with the purple flowers. I love the green chickpeas, so waiting for that. I know I'm not going to get big harvest from that, but still it makes me happy. See the tendrils, so beautiful it looks. And this is the methi. The last fenugreek, I'm leaving it for flowering. Some more tomato seedling. More tomatoes. Sorry, more peas. So today I'm getting a lot of harvest of peas. And they are too sweet. Thinking of harvesting the lettuce. Wow, so gorgeous this is. The red lettuce. So today I have completely removed it with the roots. Plucking some lettuce for my salad tonight. In my experience, you can try growing lettuce. It's so easy and there are so many varieties. You can keep harvesting them and they'll keep producing more and more leaves. So yeah, they do not need much care and they need just indirect some sunlight, but not the harsh ones. So this is my harvest today. Wow, we are going to enjoy it. So keep trying. Never give up. Keep trying. Even if you have small space, no excuses. Try to grow your own food, even if it is a small amount. So these are all the coriander which I have been growing and I have harvested many times. Then again I'm showing you my tomato seedlings. So happy to see them, even if it's not very sunny here in Tokyo. See, the small leaf of this thing is coming up. The carrot, then the chickpeas. What I do, I take all these greens and sometimes I saute them with onion and garlic. So yeah, you can always mix them and saute the greens and have them. It's so healthy. So as the tomatoes are growing nicely today, I will try to search the sucker and remove them so that more energy goes to the flower and it will produce the tomatoes faster. So yes, see, that's the sucker which is growing from between. Yeah, just remove it. Either you can throw it or you can try regrowing it. Yeah, so this way you can keep adding to your gardening and planting more and more veggies and fruits. Thanks for watching.